Hi, I'm Amanda Morales, owner of Bake It Away Mandy. Bake It Away Mandy is located in Bethpage, New York, but I serve all of Long Island and New York City. I currently work in a finance company in New York City, and I love what I do, and I'm really grateful to have a full-time job. I had been baking my whole life from those break and bake chocolate chip cookies, and I really wanted to find a creative outlet. You know, most people love Netflix on the couch, but for me, sugar, butter, and flour are my therapy. There is nothing better than being in comfy clothes and just like whipping up something fun and unique and creative and having that moment to just decompress and channel all of that energy into something beautiful. Really just an overall color explosion. I love playing with different types of sprinkle blends, and I love just bringing, exciting colors to life on a cake or on a cookie. I think that you get happy when you see those colors. You like to eat something that's colorful and playful, and it just automatically brings a smile to your face even before the treat goes in your mouth. Growing up, I loved rainbow cookies. I would beg my parents for a rainbow cookie cake, and nothing tasted exactly like that rainbow cookie taste. And so kind of spent time just getting pounds of rainbow cookies and sticking candles into it for so many birthdays. I kind of took a moment to figure out what made that rainbow cookie taste so delicious and what was it missing, and brought that to life in a larger scale. People go crazy because it reminds them of that childhood. It reminds them of, Saturday mornings going to the bakery with their parents and getting those cookies in the little boxes. Ten years ago, if you asked someone if they'd order a cake via, an Instagram DM, they'd be like, "You're insane." But word of mouth is so powerful, and it basically just, we've always had this. We've always had word of mouth. Those are people who told you this is my favorite baker or those things, but those happened in these very small circles. Now it's, you head on your Explore page on Instagram and you see these incredible things and you're like, how do I get them? Bake It Away Mandy makes it accessible, makes it fun, and makes it something that everyone can get their hands on. I'm extremely grateful because people allow me to be parts of their special days. I've made wedding cakes, I've made bridal shower cakes, baby shower cakes, all these incredible milestones, and people are saying, "Amanda, I trust you with these things, and I want you to bring them to life, and I want you to bring my thoughts and my visions to life."